Welcome back to my dear aspirants. Today we are going to start 2026 Environment Current Affairs Part 1. It is totally 2026 Environment Current Affairs for especially curated for UPSC SSC Bank Defense Examination. Let's dive into the updates of 2026 Environment Current Affairs. Top environment current affairs developments related with the environment generally January 2026. Global first is global water crisis. So it water use has outpaced renewable supply, threatens global food security, billions at risk in the post crisis era. So 20 January 2026 report from the United Nations University. Global water bankruptcy living beyond our hydrogen means in the past crisis era warned that long term water use has exceeded renewable inflows, threatening global food security. So, key highlights are water use has outpaced renewable supply. Second is India's biobitumen production. India became the first country to commercially produce biobitumen from farm residue via method is pyrolysis aimed at reducing crop burning pollution and dependence on imported crude oil. So this I made the video already. So made it is a short video. I have given the information about this India's biobitumen production, first country to commercially produce biobitumen from farm residue. Method is pyrolysis. So it made from farm residue via pyrolysis, reduce crop burning pollution, lowers dependence on the imported crude oil. So it's a very big achievement. Method is pyrolysis. Now, third update is solid waste management rules 2026. India introduced new regulation emphasizing compulsory waste segregation, separation, recycling, and stricter handling of electronic and hazardous waste. So, compulsory waste segregation separation is required. Solid waste management rules 2026. It focuses on recycling and resource recovery. So, it is a strict rule for electronic and hazardous waste. So it is a strict rule for electronic waste and hazardous waste. Next one is State of India's Environment Reports. The Center for Science and Environment reported that India is witnessing intensified human-tiger conflicts and critical ecological degradation due to breach planetary boundaries. So it rising human-tiger conflicts. State of India's Environment Reports giving critical information about ecological degradation and it also providing information about planetary boundaries under stress. Next update is EU carbon tax impact CBAM. This I already made the short video. I have explained these all everything's. The EU carbon border adjustment mechanism will impact Indian exports of carbon intensive goods like steel, aluminium, cement, fertilizer unless India accelerates its decarbonization efforts. So European Union carbon tax impact CBAMs applies to carbon intensive imports, impacts key Indian exports, it impacts key Indian exports and incentive decarbonization and clean production. Key environmental awareness and policy. First one is the planetary boundary. Second one is information about biodiversity protection. And third, environmental awareness and policy is Forest Right Act. Planetary boundaries, according to report 7 out of 9 boundaries including climate change, land system change, and freshwater depletion, have been breached, with ocean acidification acting as a major threat. So, how many? 7 out of 9 boundaries breach? Ocean acidification is a major threat. So, it is a planetary boundary. Second, key environmental awareness is biodiversity protection. So, new eco-sensitive zones and Ramsar sites were designated in India to protect threatened habitats. It is a one type of eco-sensitive zones creation to protect that threatened habitats. New Ramsar sites designated in this biodiversity protection. Third news is about the forest in environmental awareness is Forest Rights Act. Discussion in January 2026 focus on the implementation of the Forest Rights Act 2026. It highlighting the protection of minor forest produce rights. So implementation of Forest Right Act ensuring minor forest produce rights. Key environmental updates February 2026 NGT clears global Nicobar project. The NGT give clearance for the 92,000 crore Great Nicobar project. The reason I'm explaining and revising in very short interval of time, because if I'm going to explain everything, the video will be long, and the UPSC pre-examination is very near. So this is the reason you have to short revision is required this time. The NGT clears Great Nicobar project. The NGT gave clearance for the 92,000 crore Great Nicobar project. So how many? 92,000 crore Great Nicobar project. 98 Ramsar sites, in which 2 new sites added, bringing India's total Ramsar sites to 98. 98. It becomes 98. Global forest cover warning report highlighted declining forest cover worldwide. Forest declining worldwide cover, and union budget focus emphasize on green energy, clean energy, human tiger conflicts. The CSC reports highlighted rising conflict due to invasive species. About biodiversity and conservation, Ramsar site rise, 2 new wetland added to the Ramsar list as World Wetlands Day, bringing India's total to 98. Notable inclusion are Patna Bird Sanctuary and Charidand. Patna Bird Sanctuary UP and Chanidan Gobara. Now, new species added in biodiversity conservation is new species of blossom midge, Cotorrhea icadiflores. Cotorrhea icadiflores was identified. Species spotlight focus on the fishing cat, Kaziranga white-bellied sea eagle. Key environmental updates February 2026 Policy and Infrastructures Great Nicobar Project Union Budget 2026 waste management. So Great Nicobar project allowed the National Green NGT allowed the mega infrastructure project port airport township to proceed, prompting ecological concern regarding coral reefs and turtles. So Great Nicobar project for promoting ecological concern for coral reefs and turtles के लिए. Waste management Haryana tightened regulation with over 1800 fines under plastic waste management rules. So ये कहाँ दिया गया? हरियाणा में. So highlighting increase e-waste and extended producer responsibility EPR. Union Budget 2026 focus on climate risk, financing, green energy transition, and dam safety modernization. These are the Union Budget 2026 main mottos are. Union Budget 2000 focuses on climate risk financing, green energy transition, dam safety modernization. Now about the climate change and natural disasters, state of environment reports indicated global forest covered global drop to 59%. It's a major update. Well below the 75% safety thresholds, while invasive species like Lantara camara hinder tiger habitats. Lantara camara hinder tiger habitats. Extreme weather storm Leonardo caused severe flooding in Spain and Portugal. Himalayan risk. Important days, World Wetland Days celebrated on 2nd February. Theme focus on restoration and resilience. Key scientific findings, carbon capture, growing discussion on the need for carbon capture technology in India to meet net zero goals, and energy transition is also there. Continued rapid transition from fossil fuel to renewable energy, coal to renewable energy, with Gujarat leading capacity. Energy transition, Gujarat is leading. Next update is key environment development March 2026. India's update and NDC's climate action. India updated its nationally determined contribution for 2031-35 with stronger climate commitments, 60% non-fossil power capacity by 2035, 47% reduction in emission intensity from 2005 levels, 3.5% to 4 billion tons carbon dioxide equivalent carbon sink by the year 2035. Then there is a second update is about the solid waste management. New rules effective April 1st, 2026 mandate 4-stream segregation and digital waste tracking. So wet waste, dry waste, sanitary waste, and special care waste. So four stream segregation, separation, digital waste tracking, solid waste management. Now, biodiversity and conservation, new species discovered, 2 new jumping spider species. Name of the 2 jumping spider species is Mogras susuka. Second one is Mogras discovered in India. Tamil Nadu stabilized its first dry sky park at Holi Hills. Eco-friendly Holi is celebrated because then State of India's environment reports global forest cover 59% below the 75% state threshold. It is also important update. Now human tiger conflict is rising, linked to invasive lantana camera plants reducing native prey. Environment technology, Anavaran's deforestation alert system. The Forest Survey of India operates Anavaran, a near real-time deforestation alert system using satellite data, AI ML technology to monitor forest changes across the country. So क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है? AI by ML टेक्नोलॉजी जो मॉनिटर करेगा फॉरेस्ट चेंज अक्रॉस द कंट्री. सो अनावरण डिफोरेस्टेशन अलर्ट सिस्टम. Now, key takeaway: stronger climate commitment with updated NDC, stricter waste management with 4 stream segregation, new biodiversity discovered and conservation initiative, alarming trends in forest cover and human tiger concludes, and technology-driven monitoring for sustainable future for deforestation alert system. 2026 environment key facts है. IUCN status: the ruddy Seldak Tadora ferruginea is classified as least concern according to IUCN. Species discovery: Tachydomus ultrapennisis is newly discovered lizard species from Tachydomus genus of grass lizards found in Ukhul district of Manipur, northeastern India. Species discovery: Tachydonus ultrapennisis is a newly discovered lizard species from the Tachydrome genus of grass lizard found in the Ukhul district of Manipur, northeast India. So, species name is Tachydromus ultrapennisis. It is of genus of grass lizard found in Ukhrul district of Manipur, northeast Indian. Conservation areas: Tamil Nadu established its first Tamil Nadu established किया अपना पहला डार्क स्काई पार्क एट कॉली हिल्स, जो कि एक डेजिग्नेटेड एरिया है जो फोकस करेगा रिड्यूसिंग लाइट पॉल्यूशन टू प्रिजर्व प्रिस्टीन स्टारी नाइट व्यूज. Major environment news: April 2026, India's new climate targets. India submitted its NDC for 2031-35, focusing on updated pleas under Paris Agreement to combat climate change. India NDC 2031-35, 60% non-fossil power capacity by 2035. 47% reduction in emission intensity compared to 2005. So India's new climate targets 60% नॉन फॉसिल पावर कैपेसिटी होगा 2035 तक, और 47% कमी होगा एमिशंस पे जो कंपेयर टू 2005 के कंपैरिजन में. ग्लोबल वाइल्ड फायर रिस्क हुआ. WMO ने वार्न किया कि 2026 कुड सी रिकॉर्ड वाइल्ड फायर. जंगलों में आग लग रहा है विथ ओवर 85 मिलियन हेक्टेयर्स बर्न्ड इन अफ्रीका एंड ओवर 45 मिलियन इन एशिया बाय अप्रैल. एक्सरबेटेड इन ड्राई कंडीशन, ये बढ़ जाता किस समय में? ड्राई कंडीशन में. 85 मिलियन वाइल्ड फायर हुआ है, जंगल में आग लगी है अफ्रीका में. 44 मिलियन इन एशिया. सो रीजन है 85 ड्राई कंडीशन, और 85 मिलियन हेक्टेयर्स बर्न इन एशिया, 44 मिलियन हेक्टेयर्स बर्न इन एशिया. मेराइन स्पीसीज कंजर्वेशन इनिशिएशन टू ऑफ नीलगिरी तहार सर्वे. IUCN reported rising threats to endangered species like impala, penguins, and Antarctic fur seals due to climate-driven declines. इसका भी रीजन क्या है? ड्राई कंडीशन, 85 मिलियन हेक्टेयर्स बर्न अफ्रीका, 44 मिलियन मेराइन स्पीसीज कंजर्वेशन. नो एल नीनो फोरकास्ट हुआ. सीवियर ड्रॉट्स इन एशियन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एट रिस्क है. नो पॉल्यूशन एंड हेल्थ डिस्कशन हाईलाइटेड पर polyfluoroalkyl substance PFAS, fluoroalkyl substance, and climate change as a public health emergency, or biomass dependence, high biomass dependency on this, and it creates pollution and health problem. So these are the part 1 of Environment Current Affairs 2026. I'm going to upload part 2, 2025 Environment and Ecology updates as well. Thank you for watching.